Good morning, good God done morning on this Throwback Thursday? Was it Thirsty Thursday or was it pre-Friday? Well, anyway, whatever it is, thank you for tuning in because you could have been doing anything, any place, anywhere, but you decided to come back to my channel. So that means either you like me, you hate me, so just hit the thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, I don't get offended. Just do something. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Shaka. Mahalo. Thank any of you a returning family member or Hon.Hi, you know I always appreciate you. So we're just trying to get to that 7,500 first, and then we're going to do a little giveaway, and then on to the big shing ding, the big luau, the big creme de la creme of 10K, and then we'll do it big. We'll do it simple, but we'll do big. Shout out to the bro, Big Simple, because he always say, we lit, right? So if you haven't subscribed to the fam, the home team, 313 Retro Queen, with Fly KOL, PMKICKZ, by all means do so, as well as subscribe to our Who Has the Heat, the dopest battles on the tube. Now with all of that out of the way, and also check out my feature channels. It's up there. You should know how to do it by now. I will put this in the description as always, eventually, right? That's neither here nor there. Now, let's get into this here. I don't know if I wanted this shoe. I think I actually bought this shoe because I was so shocked, caught off guard that these were in the store. So I think this was an impulse buy, because you know how you go nowadays. You go into the store, you don't see Jordan sitting on the rack. So I was like, let me get them, right? I think the last time I seen a Jordan sit was the 35, the Breads that I had, and the Bel Airs. And I think the 12 low Easter sat for a little bit. But other than that, Jordans are not sitting. So I had to grab these. And you probably already know they released last Saturday. The first release since 2006. And I don't recall them having this box, but I seen Jordan 9s with this box. Now this one has the box. Jordan 11 and 10s with this box. So you kind of got something different from the old boring black and gold. And these are PP, personal pair. I went true to size. True to size. Not no half size. I went all the way true with a size 10. Official colorway, white varsity purple, Air Jordan 7 retro. Suggested retail price, 190 of those hard-earned working dollars. But we kicked in that military discount, got these joints for a whopping $165. Now again, these were released back in 2006. These are the Air Jordan 7 Flints. So without further delay, let's take this top off the box. See, we got a stamper wrapper. No, we don't have none of that. We have some of them plastic paper wafer, and voila. I know some of these other, like the Bro Bobby sneaker, where I know I see it, they're probably not worth it. But you know, you always want to get them in hand and just get a full assessment of making your opinion. Maybe you might have to eat your words. Let me see here. Now, being that it's a nubuck suede or something like that, I'm surprised you don't have no green sticker on it, some type of suede or nubuck. You get that. Let me get the sniff test. Nothing like the nice smell of sneakers coming out of the box. And bang, here we go. The Air Jordan 7 Flint, a Tinker Hatfield shoe, re-released again from 2006. And as most people already complain, for who are, like most people say, if it ain't OGs, they don't want it. And I'm kind of pissed off right now because the Flints, not the Flints, but the Yellow Lightning 4 has been pushed back, and they are a variation of the originals. So lately, pretty much, I would say 75 to 80% of the time we get retro. They are not like the OG. Some may vary more, some may vary a little bit in the materials, but this one is, the color is off. The original Flints is lighter. It's like Jordan brand, y'all really pimping us with this, right? With new technology and stuff, you should be able to be spot on. You shouldn't be going backwards. You should be moving forward. And like this, when they do it right, it's all limited, so people who actually want the shoe can't get the shoe. As you can see how dark this is compared to this Flint. You can see the difference. Can you tell? Most of you can't tell. Yes, this is a custom from the Hon.Hi word custom, but if you should be able to tell the Flint gray on these are darker than those. So these kind of remind me of the nostalgia 6s. And if you didn't know, during this time when Tinker Hatfield had this shoe in mind, he had this shoe in mind, which is the Huarache. I don't know if you guys can see the resemblance, but if I had the high top, that's my daughter's shoe, if I had the high top, you really would be able to see the resemblance in these two shoes. For some reason, 7s don't get much love. Raptors are dope, Cardinals are dope, Olympics are dope, and most people like the Bordeaux. I don't care about those, but I got a few 7s, Barcelona 7s, the PMKICKZ 7s, and I think 1 or 2 more. This is like my 4th 7. But 7s are comfortable though. 7s are comfy. As you can see underneath the bottom, especially if you're a Sacramento Kings fan, this would be pouring on for you, right? You got your allegedly Flint gray. That's what we're gonna call it, the alleged Flint gray through the rest of this video, because I don't know, it's all. Then you got the black with the purple, and always I like to do the left shoe and do the review. Coming around, you got the white, right? You got the polyurethane type materials. I don't know if it's about 9, probably won't crack, but what really got me on this shoe was the nubuck suede. Look at that. Look at that. Change of rain. Look at that. Ooh, back and forth. Let me see you go back and forth. Shout out to Lil Prince of R&B. You can see that. Then you got your perforated nylon holes in the tongue or the cushion there. You got your chrome lace tips, and each tongue is kind of different. This kind of remind, I had the chambray too before, chambray 7, which is very, very dope. Kind of remind me of the chambray. And then of course you come around on the side, you got more of those perforated holes for breathability. And then the leather is really, really good. You got that tumble rumble. It's probably not real leather, but it's probably enough leather mixed in for it to be leather, because you can see it's like super tumble rumble. Look at that. And then up here, of course, this is where you see the Huarache part kick in of the shoe. As you can see right there, not much ankle support, kind of flappy, but you can see you got your purple Jumpman coming around on the butt, the ash. You got the 23. I guess that's why the Olympics are so dope and different, because those have the 9, right, Jordan's number. And you can see you have the pull tab on the back to help you get the shoe on the back booty, of course. And you don't have any Jumpman on this side, right? This planar chainer. Take the shoe tree out, all of that good stuff. You should have 10 and 10.5 on there. And the production date for these joints are 10/28/20 to 12/30/20. So roughly about 2 months. And let me see, that's last year and it came out this year. So not too bad, considering how bad Jordan Brand been pushing things back and irking people and get people upset. I don't even get upset anymore. I just like, it is what it is. So like I said, I think this is more of a shock value pickup, because it's been a while since you can just go into the store and say, hey, let me get these. So shout out to the bros at Chance Allen Warner came in and they was sitting on the shelf and I tried them on, and that was a wrap after that. So like I said, I got them for $160 with tape, about $165, somewhere around in there. I think is a decent pickup worth that. So it depends. Like I said, if you're a historian and stuff like that, the color being off might be a deal breaker for you. But I did put them on feet. I know y'all probably say, I don't believe you. Yes, I did. I should have took at least some video so y'all would believe me. Yeah, I put them on feet and they are fire on foot. But the question is, are these keepers or not? I think the resale value is a little over 200, maybe between 2 and 250 if y'all into that. So is this to keep or to sell? You let me know. Leave a comment suggestion below and let me know what you think. Now on the little meter, we got to deduct some points because the color is off. Materials is pretty good, but I give you that. Price point, so I would get a discount, not bad. They might sell out though. I don't know if they're gonna sit like some other shoes. So out of 5, I grade this on the curve. I give it about a 4.65 out of 5. You guys let me know what you think. 4.65 out of 5. Like I said, are these to keep or to sleep or to sell? Either way, let me know. Thanks for all the love and support. Thanks for tuning into my video. Emoneyshoes, I'm out. Shaka.